hawajauzia.
Moses Kuria ma en jachiw paro e weche uchumi ne jatend piny Kenya William Ruto okwedo kwetho maketo sirkal tesre e weche magisiko ka gidiro ne sirkal ka owacho ni sirkal oketo mahino mar neno ne gichwalo dongruok ne jopiny kane wuoyo nyasi mar choko omenda e kanisa mar St. Catherine of Siena Catholic mayudore e kar chung od bura ma Ugenya kod St. Boniface Alwor Parish mayudore Gem. Kuria ne omedo ni sirkal ok bi chiko itgi ne siasago ka okoni kwethno moketo sirkal tesre biro yudo bwoke duoko mag yiero maduong' mabiro. Jatelo no ne oten gi jatend migawo mar teko kod modhi James Opio Ndai, jaod bura Magem Elisha Odhiambo kod nyawadgi ma Ugenya David Ocheng.
Si baba peke yake ni hatari, si ndio? Si mimi ni hatari. Na tukue pamoja. Najua kuna watu wako kwa kiwanja peke yao. Ile siku sisi tutaingia kwa kiwanja, kuna watu watatafuta mashimo ya kutorokea. Sababu sisi tuko na ujuzi ya siasa. The only thing we have decided to do as we are busy. So, kwa nini tukue na kisirani na wale watu wako idle? Si ndio ni haki yao? If they have chosen that path for themselves, the only thing I'm asking of them, do not make noise to those people who want to do something. If you have given up on life, that is your right.
Hii safari tumeanza ya kuunganisha wa Kenya chini ya Mheshimiwa Rais Ruto na Baba Raila Amolo Odinga, lazima tufikishe mwisho. Tufikishe mwisho kabisa. Wale ambao wanatembea wakieneza mambo ya ukabila watabaki nyuma peke yao.
And I want to congratulate the President for being forthright and ensuring that there's affirmative action in supporting our people.
I want to tell the President that we'll stand with him when the right time comes. And I want to ask the Luos in wherever they are, that it's not right for us people to always have doubts about us.